What if I told you that an AI could predict stock market trends, write complex code in seconds, analyze medical research faster than top scientists, and even create personalized marketing strategies for businesses? Meet DeepSeek R, an advanced AI that's not just changing one industry, but transforming the way we work, invest, and innovate. Whether you're a trader looking for market insights, a business owner seeking smarter automation, a researcher diving into big data, or a content creator optimizing productivity, DeepSeek R has something for all of you. In this video, we'll uncover how this powerful AI works, the industries it's revolutionizing, and how you can leverage it to generate income and stay ahead in the AI-driven future. The question is, are you ready to unlock the power of DeepSeek R? Guys, imagine an AI so powerful that it can write code, generate insights, and revolutionize industries in real time. In this video, we'll break down DeepSeek R's cutting-edge technology. Enter DeepSeek R, an advanced AI model making waves in the tech world. But how does it really work? And more importantly, how does it turn intelligence into income? Its business strategy, and the fascinating ways it generates revenue. It helps us unlock hidden potential, turning raw data into valuable knowledge. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, an investor, or just curious about the future of artificial intelligence, stay tuned as we unravel the mechanics behind one of the most intriguing AI models of our time. Opportunities for growth that can transform businesses and industries. In this essay, we'll journey into the heart of DeepSeek R. We'll uncover its secrets and understand its capabilities. We'll learn how it can be used to generate revenue, streamline operations, and drive innovation. Whether you're an individual or a large corporation, DeepSeek R holds the key to unlocking new possibilities. Let's begin our exploration and see where this new frontier can take us. How individuals and enterprises can leverage DeepSeek R for income. DeepSeek R isn't just a tool for researchers and tech giants, it's a game changer for individuals and businesses looking to tap into AI-driven income streams. For freelancers and content creators, it offers automation for writing, coding, and data analysis, enabling faster project completion and higher earnings. Entrepreneurs can integrate DeepSeek R into their business models, using it for customer support, personalized recommendations, and even AI-generated products. Enterprises, on the other hand, can harness its power for scalable automation, cost-cutting efficiencies, and enhanced decision-making. Whether you're building a startup, optimizing an existing business, or looking for innovative side hustles, DeepSeek R provides limitless opportunities to generate revenue in the AI-powered economy. But how exactly does it work? Let's break it down step by step. It leverages the power of artificial intelligence to process and analyze vast amounts of information. It dives deep into data, extracting valuable insights that would otherwise remain hidden. Imagine a gold miner, carefully sifting through tons of rock and dirt, searching for that elusive gold nugget. They're looking for that precious gold nugget, the reward for their hard work and patience. That's DeepSeek R, but instead of gold, it's looking for insights buried within data. Insights that can be turned into actionable strategies and profit. One of the key features of DeepSeek R is its versatility and adaptability. It can be applied to a wide range of data sources, from spreadsheets to social media feeds. From financial markets to social media trends, DeepSeek R can analyze it all with precision. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to gain an edge in their industry. Think of DeepSeek R as a powerful telescope, allowing us to see far beyond the surface. It allows us to see patterns and trends that are not immediately obvious, patterns we wouldn't be able to see with the naked eye, revealing hidden opportunities. This gives us a huge advantage, enabling us to make informed decisions. We can make better decisions, faster and with greater confidence. Decisions that lead to increased revenue and sustained growth. And in today's fast-paced world, that advantage is truly priceless. For individuals, DeepSeek R can be a game changer. Imagine a freelance writer. They use DeepSeek R to analyze trending topics. They identify the most popular niches. Then, they tailor their writing to those markets. This increases their chances of getting hired. More work means more revenue. But it's not just about finding work. DeepSeek R can also help individuals improve their skills. It can identify areas where they excel, It can suggest areas for improvement. This allows individuals to become more competitive. They can command higher rates for their services. DeepSeek R can even help with investments. It analyzes market data. It identifies potential investment opportunities. This empowers individuals to make informed decisions that can lead to significant financial gains. The possibilities are truly endless. Enterprise Solutions. Scaling success with DeepSeek R. For businesses, DeepSeek R is like having an army of analysts. It's a powerful tool that can transform the way companies handle data. It can process massive data sets with incredible speed and accuracy, far beyond human capabilities. It identifies patterns and trends that humans might miss. This information is invaluable for making informed decisions. It can be used to optimize marketing campaigns, streamline operations, and improve customer satisfaction. By leveraging these insights, businesses can stay ahead of the competition. All of these lead to increased profitability. Imagine a retail company using DeepSeek R. They use DeepSeek R to analyze customer data, gaining a deeper understanding of their audience. They identify purchasing patterns and preferences, which allows them to tailor their offerings. Then, they use this information to personalize their marketing efforts, creating targeted campaigns. This leads to higher conversion rates and increased sales, driving growth and success. DeepSeek R can also help businesses mitigate risk. By analyzing historical data, it can provide insights into potential issues. It can identify potential pitfalls and alert the team before they become major problems. It can help businesses make proactive decisions, ensuring they are always prepared for any challenges. This can save them time, money, and resources in the long run, leading to sustained success and growth. DeepSeek R processes historical stock data, economic indicators, and market news to predict future stock price movements. Example: a hedge fund uses DeepSeek R to analyze price patterns of S&P 500 stocks, identifying bullish or bearish trends before they happen. It helps investors make informed decisions by providing AI-driven forecasts based on historical market cycles. Sentiment analysis for stock movements. DeepSeek R can scan millions of financial articles, earnings reports, analyst opinions, and social media posts in real time to assess market sentiment. Example: if DeepSeek R detects a surge in positive sentiment around Tesla due to strong quarterly earnings, it can flag the stock as a potential buy. On the other hand, if negative news emerges, such as regulatory investigations or economic downturns, it can signal a potential sell-off. DeepSeek R in action: real-world applications and success stories. Let's look at some real-world examples. A financial institution used DeepSeek R to analyze loan applications. They identified patterns that indicated a higher risk of default. This allowed them to make more informed lending decisions, reducing their exposure to bad loans. In another example, a marketing agency used DeepSeek R to optimize their clients' social media campaigns. They were able to identify the most effective times to post, the best content to share, and the most engaged demographics. This resulted in a significant increase in their clients' reach and engagement. These are just a few examples of how DeepSeek R is being used today. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. Maximizing your returns. Tips and tricks for DeepSeek R mastery. To truly unlock the revenue-generating potential of DeepSeek R, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, it's important to clearly define your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with DeepSeek R? Once you know what you want to accomplish, you can tailor your approach accordingly. Second, don't be afraid to experiment. DeepSeek R is a powerful tool, but it's also incredibly flexible. Try different approaches, test different variables, and see what works best for you. Finally, remember that DeepSeek R is a tool. It's only as good as the person using it. Invest in training and development to ensure that you're getting the most out of this incredible technology. These are just a few of the powerful capabilities DeepSeek R brings to the financial and stock market world. But its true potential goes beyond what we've covered here. Whether you're a trader looking for predictive insights, an investor seeking AI-driven portfolio management, or a business exploring data-driven decision-making, DeepSeek R offers endless possibilities. The best way to understand its full power? Try it for yourself. Experiment, explore, and see how it can transform your financial strategies. The future of AI in investing is here. Are you ready to embrace it? Step-by-step guide to using DeepSeek R. In this section, we'll walk you through the process of using DeepSeek R from initial setup to advanced features. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your account first. Navigate to the DeepSeek R website, www.deepseek.com, and create an account. Fill in your details and verify your email address. Once verified, log into your new account. Step 2. Initial configuration. After logging in, you'll be prompted to configure your account settings. This includes setting your preferences for notifications, data privacy, and user interface customization. Make sure to save your settings before moving on. Step 3. Importing data. Next, import your data into DeepSeek R. Click on the Import Data button and choose the file format you wish to upload. DeepSeek R supports various formats including CSV, Excel, and JSON. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Step 4. Data analysis. Once your data is uploaded, navigate to the Data Analysis section. Here, you can select the type of analysis you wish to perform. Use the drop-down menu to choose from options like Trend Analysis, Correlation Analysis, and Predictive Modeling. Click Run Analysis to start the process. Step 5. Interpreting results. After the analysis is complete, DeepSeek R will generate a detailed report. This report includes visualizations like graphs and charts to help you understand your data. Take your time to review these results and identify key insights. Step 6. Customizing dashboards. To make your data more accessible, create custom dashboards. Go to the Dashboard section and click Create New Dashboard. Add widgets like charts, tables, and key performance indicators, KPIs, to your dashboard. Customize the layout to suit your needs and save your dashboard for future reference. Step 7. Exporting and sharing. Finally, export your analysis and dashboards. Click on the Export button and choose your desired format. You can also share your reports directly from DeepSeek R by entering the email addresses of your recipients. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering DeepSeek R and unlocking its full potential. Happy analyzing! The future is here, DeepSeek R and the evolving landscape of revenue. DeepSeek R is not just a passing trend, it's a fundamental shift in the way we generate revenue. As data becomes increasingly important, tools like DeepSeek R will become even more essential. Those who embrace this technology will be well positioned for success in the years to come. They'll be able to leverage the power of data to make smarter decisions, optimize their operations, and unlock new revenue streams. The future belongs to those who are willing to explore the new frontier of DeepSeek R. DeepSeek R isn't just the future of AI, it's the future of how we work, invest, and innovate. The only question is, how will you use it?